There is no laughter in Nottingham. Poor, miserable Nottingham. Once a real going town. Not at all like Nottingham Castle. Rich, plush Nottingham Castle. Why? Because mean, selfish Prince John is taxing the poor, wretched townspeople far beyond their meager means. Meanwhile, in nearby Sherwood Forest...
Bring your partner and do-si-do.
$1,000,000, $1,000,000, $1,000,000, $1,000,000, $1,000,000, $1,000,000, fatal dumpty tighty. Stop! Now I've lost count. Fire! Who's making all that noise?
It's Robin Hoodie Woody, sire, and his merry men.
Merry schmerry. What have they got to be merry about? I've got all the money. How do we get rid of him?
Why don't you challenge him to a contest, sire?
That's it.
Introducing, in yon light corner, Robin Hoodie Woody. In hither dark corner, Prince John. You will take 10 paces, turn, and fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
7, 8, 9, 10.
The next event will be jousting. Are you ready, sire?
Ready.
You not?
My master herewith challenges you to a joust.
I hereby accept.
Ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Ready.
On your marks. Get set. Go. Oh.
This means all-out war! I hate blackbird pie! More ammunition, Squire! Keep it coming!
Aye, sire.
Now for a little Cold War. Frozen custard.
Here's your ammo, sire.
Thanks. Get me more ammo!
Aye, sire. Nothing left But this money... Sire, this is all...
Never mind! Keep it coming! More ammo! Keep it coming! I got him on the run!